Hey everyone, Denise here from Knack Training, and today's quick tip video is about how you can customize your Microsoft 365 screen. You can make it work just for you, and we can do it in just a few clicks. Let me show you how. You're going to first start off with your Microsoft365.com. You're going to go ahead and log into that, and when you do so, you will see this Microsoft 365 Copilot that automatically opens, and if you have any agents, they'll be there, and the opportunity to make a notebook or create. But what we're really looking for is the apps. When I click on the apps, it takes me to my app area. This used to be in a grid, and now they are here. Now you're going to want to pin the apps that you use all of the time. And the way that you do that is you hover over, and when you see the ellipsis, you click on the ellipsis and you choose to pin the app. Once you do so, they appear on the side, and you can pin all of your most common apps that you would want to have access to at the ready. Once you've done that, then they're over here. You can then choose to unpin them if you no longer want them to be there, or you can choose to move them up or down in the list. Once they are pinned there, you can take it another level and click down here by your name to choose the settings, and you can change the appearance of your Microsoft homepage, any languages, privacy, and notifications. You can also look here at Use Across Teams Outlook Microsoft Copilot and click on the ellipsis to manage your apps. And here you can create collections, customize views, you can rearrange them how you would like them. You can create a collection, and I could call this my most used apps, and then you add those apps to it, and then it will appear right here as most used apps. And if I go back to my home page, it appears down here as well. So those are ways you can customize your Microsoft 365 homepage. And just like that, your home screen is set up for maximum productivity. Try it today and make Microsoft 365 truly customized to what you need it to be.